I got some pleasant news. About last year, Walking with Dinosaurs had revealed a new upgraded series. And tonight, we're going to draw one of the best dinosaurs that has been revealed on the new reboot. Tonight, we're going to draw Lusititan. Drawing this should be easy.
Earth's tectonic plates shifting, breaking apart the ocean floor, lifting it higher over millions of years. The water above has nowhere else to go but up. By the middle of the Cretaceous, sea levels reached their highest point in history. Over 200 meters higher than they are today. The rising oceans repaint the map of the world, erasing entire land masses. The continent of Europe is reduced to a giant archipelago that includes the Isle of Hanseg. Where isolation and evolution have created a kind of neverland for the dinosaurs. A world where normal rules don't apply.
For many of these dinosaurs, Lusititan first appeared on Walking with Dinosaurs, the new series.
And like other sauropods, he uses his long neck to reach the highest vegetation.
There we are.
Thing is, this vegetation is only 2 meters tall.
Why'd you stop there? We might draw a huge herd of it.
On Hanseg, where there's limited space and food, sometimes
There are some unexpected features when it came to this dinosaur. Like those huge sacks that appear from above his skull.
but unlike Brachiosaurus, the predators bigger is still better. As tall as a giraffe, one of the largest pterosaurs to ever live. The nightmare has begun to roost. She's flown to this island to feed on dinosaurs. The youngest member of the herd gets separated. But being this small, can't
Got you,
see
dinosaurs. One last thing to draw, and that's this one.
Trapped on an island. Nowhere else to go.
Oh, speaking of, I heard that the Dinosaurs, a new Netflix series, has been premiered. This sort of adventure keeps getting better and better.
In a world so divided by the ocean.
And there he is, fans. That's how you draw Lusititan. 3 of them, anyway.
Races. 96 million years ago, sea levels are close to the highest they've ever
There
been.
we are.